Two elementary schools are off the chopping block for closure in Lynchburg, at least at the moment, after a school board work session tonight. The Lynchburg School Board decided that C.Miller and Sandusky Elementary schools will stay open, and they're hoping to rebuild Sandusky. ABC 13's Rachel Branning lays out what led to this stunning reversal.
That's a pretty momentous decision. We are now back where we were a year ago.
The school board decided in September to close C.Miller and Sandusky and expand Bass Elementary as part of their facilities master plan. But the Bass expansion costs $15 million that City Council says they don't have to give.
And the clock is ticking for 2025, but the money is not there. So here we are with our fork in the road.
The board went back and forth for hours, running through multiple options on the table. Some members offered up the idea to close both schools and call off the expansion.
We have the capacity of what we need, less the two schools, and we can make it happen. That's just the numbers of it.
While others suggested renovating older buildings.
And we'll continue to live in these older buildings without renovations, without expansions, without new facilities. Then I don't think we're doing our due diligence as a board.
In the end, they decided to rescind their original decision to close the two schools.
To rescind the motion of September 19th and to establish the pursuit of rebuilding Sandusky Elementary as the direction that the board is going to take in the future.
Motion passes.
Colleen Larkins with Save Our Schools is one of many parents who have filled board meetings for months. She says today's decision came as a shock.
I'm not really sure there's words to describe the feeling and the gratitude of every single person who has come out this year.
Larkin says she's thankful that the board made this decision with the kids at the center of it all.
Our vision is for a better LCS. We don't want to diminish, we want to get better and greater, and they're doing so many amazing things. We don't want to forget that, and we don't want to cut that or push that aside.
Larkins tells me that the fight isn't over. She says they'll be advocating for their new plan to City Council, explaining the importance of rebuilding Sandusky. She says it's an investment in the community that will keep giving back year after year.